pigeon peas and rice. To a pan, add some oil, get it nice and hot, and then add about 3 tablespoons of the sofrito. It doesn't have to be exact. We're just using a regular eating utensil. We're going to also add a small can of tomato sauce. The oil is bubbling. It is nice and hot, guys. That's what we want. Want to cook some of that canned taste out of those tomatoes. Stir it up well. Get it as incorporated as possible. Next, you're just going to add a little bit of adobo seasoning. Just kind of eyeball it. Now we're going to add the pigeon peas, drain that water off of it, or the liquid from the can off of there, and then just add the pigeon peas to the mixture. Now we're going to add the long grain rice, about 2 3/4 cups of long grain rice. Using that same can, just use, we're going to add water, 1.5 cans of water, and give it a good stir. Then add a little bit of this chicken bouillon flavor. I put about one tablespoon should work. Add a tight fitting lid. Turn your stove down to low and just let it cook for about 50 to 55 minutes. And this is how it turns out. It's delicious, guys. I hope you have a chance to try it. Thanks again for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a blessed day.